All right, here we go. Here's our problem. We've got this door stop, and I want to put something on the end here. So I'm going to take its Fusion 360, mock up a little design, and then make a little texture on the bottom there. Here it is in Bamboo Studio. I'm going to print it upright like that. Another option is printing down with PLA supports. I also printed on my Snapmaker U1 that you can see in the yellow with the supports there. That print finished. I'm not going to make it easy. Gotta get this underneath. There we go. PLA support. Nice. Very nice. So we made this little guy. All right.